What's going on, guys? This is AP. Welcome to another tutorial on comments. So when you check on your menu, there's a section called comments. When you click on this menu on comments, you see all these default field. So on comments, these are comments that are listed by users and some of the users from your website, and you can do a lot. You can do different things on the comments. You can reply, you can do quick edit, you can edit, and then you can spam, and you can add trash to the comment. This is a comment that I just replied, a Wordpress commenter. I just replied and say thank you. So some of the comments you can approve, or some of them you can trash them, you can spam them, depending on your take on what's been commented on your website. So yeah, so comments. So you can also search your comments. You can also search your comments on, let's say, just say thank you. Just say thank you. Thank you. My apologies on that noise. It's the gate of our complex. I'll be moving in the end of the month. Somewhere better. Okay, so you can search your comments, and yeah, I think briefly that's it on comments. So if it happens that you have any questions, or you can also make some back decisions, just say back spam and all those things. You click on this as back as there, and say apply and all those kind of things. So if it happens that you have any questions, just let me know on the comment section. As I said in the opening tutorial, that this tutorial is going to be simplified. So I'm trying as much as possible to make it simple and easy to understand. So guys, see you guys. I'll see you in the next one.